IDO. So, want to talk again about our seven gates and how we've all been indoctrinated. And it's very difficult to remove yourself from the indoctrination, but you got to seek knowledge and wisdom. Knowledge and wisdom comes from different places. So, studying the law. So, there's a law called the law of boxing, or the four corner rule. And anything that is in a box can't be taken into consideration. It can't be seen or taken into consideration. So if you look at signage that those who believe they have a right to rule over you have put on the road, they're false and misleading statements, or it's collusion and coercion to commit fraud. So what they have done is they've put names on signs. But if you look at the sign of the derricks, the roads, they all have a box around them. Can't be seen or taken into consideration, except for a man who is at war with our Imam, mother and father. So the men of war will not enter the promised land. So we're not supposed to covet what belongs to our neighbor, but ultimately it does come down to who is your neighbor. So when you realize that our Imam is in all things and outside of all things, our Imam is our neighbor. Kili kol ha'aretz, all the earth is mine. Claiming ownership of what doesn't belong to you. We're caretakers of the land. We don't own the land. So when we were placed in the garden, we were to rule over the beasts of the field, not to become the beast of the field. And instead, we became the beast of the field. But a lot of it is through indoctrination. So you've got to remove that indoctrination from yourself and educate yourself. So again, next time you go out, look at a stop sign or any other sign on the derrick, the roads, and you'll see a little white box all the way around the sign, including a stop sign. It doesn't matter what shape the box is. There's a box all the way around the road. So telling somebody to stop is against the law. It's a violation of freedom of travel, freedom of movement. But you give up those rights when you contract with the Bar Association. So when you ask for permission to do what you have a God-given right to do, to travel on ha'aretz, all the land. When you ask for a document and give up your freedom of travel, freedom of movement. So all this crap that's going on now with ICE and all the rest of these corrupt Title 28 corporations, it's by design. It's to build fear. Oh, well, these men are going to come and get you if you don't follow our laws. I follow the laws of my Imam. Ultimately, everything belongs to my Imam. Until we give everything back up to our Imam, we're going to have wars. God bless.